Now, perhaps somebody listening now say, no, I'm in the midst of 20% growth year over year. It's happy times. Then I would challenge with this thing, because there's four strategic things you want to get out of your business, kind of big picture. Well, certainly one is growth, right? Top line revenue. You need revenue to do anything, right? So you need sales.
Yep.
So that 20% year over growth, it's like, check, you got sales. Things are good. The second thing though is margin. Are you enjoying the margin, the real operating margins you're looking for? And that's a real challenge, because in high growth, trying to meet the demand, high likelihood you're adding capacity, you're adding staff, or you're adding overtime hours. So, and maybe you think, well, I'm charging 10% more, but maybe your cost went up 30%. And really looking at that. So, top line growth with OpEx following it on a parallel line doesn't make you richer. It actually just increases your risk exposure.